Here's a simple formula to get the best results from ChatGPT. Number one, be specific. Instead of asking a broad questions like tell me about history, narrow it down. Try something like summarize the American Revolution in 3 sentences. The more details you provide, the better the response. Number two, give context. ChatGPT does not remember past conversations, so include key details in your prompt. Instead of saying, give me marketing tips, say, I run a small bakery and want more customers. Give me 3 marketing tips that do not require a big budget. This helps ChatGPT give a more useful answer. Number three, refine and experiment. If the first answer is not perfect, do not give up. Think of ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner. If the response is too formal, say, make it more fun and casual. If it's too long, say, summarize in 1 sentence. You keep adjusting your prompt until you get the response you need. Here's another cool trick. If you ever stuck, you can ask ChatGPT to help improving your prompt. Just type, how can I reword this for a better answer? And it will suggest ways to make your questions clearer. By understanding how ChatGPT works and following these steps, you can get better answers every time. Try it now and see how much your results improve.